video is created to talk about some measures of position, talk to you some about box plots and outliers and the outlier test. All right, so we've already seen the quartiles quite a bit. This defines for you exactly where those quartiles are, the 25th spot and the 75th spot as far as percentiles go. You want to make sure you understand the idea of a percentile, okay? So a lot of you have recently taken maybe the SAT, the ACT, and when you get your scores, they give you a percentile rank. So let's say you get your scores and they tell you that you're in the 90th percentile. That tells you what percent of scores fell below your score. So if you're in the 90th percentile, for example, 90% of the people scored less than you and 10% of the people scored better than you. All right, so we've seen in some of the other videos, either you've seen or you will see the idea of a box plot and the interquartile range. So this highlights the idea of an outlier test. All right, so when you run an outlier test, you have to find the interquartile range, and then you have to find these two measurements. There's going to be a separate video that's just about the outlier test so that I can more accurately walk you through that specifically so that you can see it. I don't have the accuracy with this little drawing thing to do it, but I'll make it with a different program and you'll be able to see the outlier test. So we'll come back to that in just a bit. All right, you've seen in some of the other videos, or you will see this idea of a box plot and graphing that 5-number summary. So make sure that you look at those box plots that talks about how to make one, and make sure you understand how to read them and what they represent. All right, so thanks for watching this video, and make sure that you look for the other video on how to run an outlier test.